everyone, it's Robin, R Silent Crafts, and welcome to my studio. We are on day number 20. I looked, it told me it's day number 20 of Advent. If my friend didn't number the packages, I'd be in trouble. I'd have to have a calendar sitting here where I would mark off the dates so I'd know that today is the 20th. Today we are opening up the green and white striped fabric. I bet you it's not. I'm going for something yellow. Even though I've been sent a lot of Christmas stuff, I'm still thinking it's got to be something bright and sunny and yellow. Let's see. One fabric or two? One fabric. My friend sent me some Christmas polka dots because she knows I love polka dot fabrics. This is two different kinds of green and red on the white background. Did you ever play that dot game as a kid where you had to connect the lines and create boxes and then you could put your initial in the box? Kind of, instead of playing tic-tac-toe, we would play that. I think it was called dots or boxes or whatever it was called. I had a lot of fun connecting the dots. I even could play that by myself. I wasn't an only child, but I was raised to a certain point as an only child. Now, I was raised with my brother until I was 13, but he moved out prior to that, and then I moved out later at age 13, and then we moved in with my father and stepmother, with sisters and all that. Anyways, I spent a lot of time by myself as a child, and I played that game by myself. I don't care. I had fun. I had fun with that and Lite-Brite. Did you guys have a Lite-Brite growing up? And now I'm here creating fun with scrappy dot fabric, and I'm here by myself, but you guys are hanging out with me, so let's see what my friend received. Hello, my friend on day 20. Are you tired of unwrapping fabric yet? Never, right? I didn't realize it, but I have two flower fabrics for you today. That's nice. And look, you even get a bonus thread from my stash. I'm including two spools of this navy blue ribbon. One is narrower than the other. I'm sure they say the size on here somewhere. Here we go. This one is 3/8. And this one is 5/8. I thought this might be fun for some of your other crafting things you like to do. Some days just feel a little more awkward than others. Have you ever sat in front of a camera and chatted with people randomly for something? I have. I enjoy it, but sometimes my mouth just gets rambly. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope my friend enjoyed day number, what did I say, 20? Come on back. We'll do it again.